Hey guys, so really quickly wanted to show you a couple ways to decorate your mantle. So what I'm starting with here is just this eucalyptus branch that I got from the Hearth and Hand collection by Magnolia. It's such a perfect piece. It's really an essential to any kind of decorating, and it's pretty inexpensive. It's about $29 at Target. So that's going to be the base of it. It's full and lush, and it's got a great color. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop some of these pumpkins around, boop, just like that. I've got a whole bag full of pumpkins right here. You can put all different kinds of colors, different shapes, and just put them on. They're $1 each, and voila, you've got a beautiful mantle display.